Vehikl is a Canadian dev shop located in Southern Ontario, specializing in Laravel, Vue, and many other JavaScript frameworks. Our 70-person dev team works with clients to help them build exceptional web and mobile applications. We act as an extension of our clients' existing dev team, working with them to ship clean, maintainable code. We are one team with our clients, and we share in their successes. Our goal is to help you guide your team into building products you can be proud of. Here's how we deliver on that promise. Our foundational values are caring, growth, and delivery. We seek to provide a caring environment that enables our team to focus on growth. This in turn allows us to deliver for our clients. So, what does working with us look like? We have daily Slack communication with your team. We collaborate with you on weekly or bi-weekly sprint planning. We provide demos and retrospectives at the end of each sprint. We work with your team to have collaborative PR reviews, and we have daily pairing and mobbing sessions to ensure we ship high-quality code. Mob programming is a form of collaboration that eliminates dev block in a creative space that promotes growth, learning, and knowledge sharing. Join us for our public growth sessions. Reach out to us to learn more. We love giving back to the tech community. We organize JavaScript and PHP meetup groups in our community. Find us on Meetup. For this Laracon, Vehikl is giving away your choice of an iPhone 13 Pro or a Pixel 6 Pro. All you have to do is opt into our emails, and you've entered. And for an extra entry, join us for a mob programming workshop that will be running throughout the day. If you'd like to learn more about mob programming, the details are in our description on the Laracon swag page. But enough about us. We want to learn about you. We would love to have a conversation and learn what you've been working on. You can visit our website at vehikl.com or send an email to go@vehikl.com or connect with us on our socials to keep up to date with us and the Vehiklian culture. We also wanted to give a big thank you to everyone at Laracon who helped host this online event. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you so much for watching.